Hey Dan, this is training on Commission Gorilla. I need to get you trained up on this. When we go into My Pages here, I'm going to bring up CBS Formula. I'm going to hit Edit. I'm going to do an embed video right in here, which it looked like you had already done that, and that's fine. I needed the right one, so I just swapped it out. This is great. I see how you use that. You need to make sure that's correct and that's correct. And then also, I don't like using the red. I used it once or twice. I like using blue or something positive color. Red kind of indicates you may be in the red. And these are just images that you put in here. You have to build your bonus library so that when you pull in your blocks, you're actually pulling in bonus blocks. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to delete this image and bonus blocks. So I went and let's see, I've just put this one in for our exclusive bonus on CBS. See if I can find it in here. Here we go. I'm going to select it. Okay. And then if I want to move it up, I want to move it to the very top, right underneath this. Okay. So that's the first one. Now what that does is it builds your thank you page, and I'll show you in just a second how to build your bonuses out. And then this is just an image, so I'm just going to delete that. That doesn't do anything for us. We need those in individual bonuses. So that's what we're looking for. Now, over here, you want to go into your settings. And the way this is kind of set up, you just read it. This is David Nelson. And page settings. This is the most important. This is your affiliate link. So when they click on the call to action button, that's where they're taken to. I put that in there. And leave this in here as if for some reason the affiliate link doesn't work, it will take them to this redirect. Okay, and then you want to always name it your bonus page name. So CBS Formula. Pro features, we're not going to put any of those in there. SEO features. This is where you would put in your SEO text. Check out CBS Formula review. Let's put in here. And the sales funnel. And speed, SEO keywords, of course you're going to put in CBS Formula. Page colors, you can change that. I just keep that the same basically. And you can do a background image. Bonus delivery page. This is the important. You have to name the file name. And we're not using split test monkey on this one. And delivery page header. This is at the top of the delivery page when they click on the bonuses. So here are your bonuses for the CBS Formula. Be sure to register for the webinar now. Okay. So you got to make sure all these buttons are taken care of here. And once you're done, you're ready to save. And you're ready to finish building it out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over and show you how to create these bonuses. Okay, what I'm showing you here is my AWS account, my S3 account. This is where I store all my files that I can share online. It's unlimited data space. I just pay for the amount of bandwidth that's used each month. And so anyway, I have VidPenguin bonuses. Now you don't have this. You don't have access. It's a desktop application. But this is where I save it. But it doesn't have to be saved here. It could be saved in a Dropbox. But we have to take the files, the bonus files, put them somewhere so that people can download them. So what I did was I added them into my bonus section. And I'll just sort by date. And it was these top 4 here. Those are the bonuses. And you got to make sure your ACL settings set to public. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the first one is Digital Product Business Launch Kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. Oh, sorry. Go into your web URL, and I'm going to generate a short link just to make it shorter. And to hide it actually cloaks it for me. So I'm going to copy the clipboard, close it, and now I'm going back over here. Now, I've already created the first bonus, so what I'm doing is, and I put it into a category, CBS formula, Digital Product Launch Kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the bonus. I've uploaded the image for it. And I've edited the delivery block text. This is what comes on that bonus thank you page. So the only thing you really need to do is make sure you name your bonus, and if it's a registration or download. So anyway, it's a download, so I'm going to come in here, change out the link, and you could change out the words too. So that's all there is. Now you want to name it, and the way I name everything in Commission Gorilla is give it an underscore because it puts it in front of all the generic bonuses that came with the course. Plus I put it in the right category. So all these bonus 1 through 4, I'm going to drop into the CBS formula. And if you need to create a new category, you just click that. And then the upload image. To get that image, you just click upload and upload it in there. Okay? So once you're done, you're ready to save. Now, I'm going to show you how I'm doing the other 3, and by that time, you should know how to do all this fairly easy. Okay, so we're going to go into Image Graphic, and I'm going to do the upload first. And I'm pulling it from my Snagit. All I did was I just copied what you had already made as an image, and I'll come in here and delete that. And then this is called bonus number 2, speed traffic blueprint. Okay, and I'll copy that, put an underscore on it, add it, and it's going to go in the CBS formula. I've got the image uploaded, so now I just need the actual file download. Bring this back up. Speed traffic blueprint. ACL settings, so I'm going to grab my, shorten it. Copy the clipboard. Come back over here. Paste it in there, and boom, we're done. Okay, I'm going to create the other 2 bonuses. Again, I'm going to come over here, bring it up on Snagit. It should be bonus number 3. Delete the instruction line there, and delete that out. Put bonus number 3, coaching profiteer bonus, and now I need to name it. I'll do the underscore. And it's going to CBS formula. I've got my image in there. So I need to create the download link. So I'm going back to AWS. Right mouse click, web URL, short link it, copy it, and I did a Control C. You can do that also. So let's come back over here. Say OK. Hit save. Okay, and here's the last bonus. So, image. Grab the image real quick. Oops. This will be bonus number 4. Millionaire Digital Nomad. So I'm going to delete that instruction box. And that's just for us. We don't need it. Bonus number 4. Millionaire Digital Nomad. Bonus below. Okay. And now we need the, let's go ahead and name it over here. Underscore, paste, correct category. So we're good there. Come back over here. And web URL, generate a short link. I'm going to copy it. Just go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to hop back over here. Say OK. Okay, so now we got all 4 bonuses plus our exclusive bonus in here. So let's go back to the page. Now hit edit. Hey, this is David now. And I'm going to drop down here. Okay, we got the first bonus block already in here. So what I'm going to do is go to blocks here. And we want to go to bonus block. And so what I'm going to do is select the bonuses. And just keep them in the right order. Okay, the first bonus number is bonus number digital product launch kit, so I'm going to select that. And move it up. Drop it in, and I put spacer blocks in between. And you can just add spacer blocks just like that. Click there, and it adds the spacer block down to the bottom. Okay, so we need to add another bonus in here. And it's going to be number 2, which is the speed traffic blueprint. And just to keep it easy, I'm going to go over here to CBS formula. That's why we put them in categories right here. And I'm going to move that up. And again, I separate them with spacers. And grab number 3 here. Which is going to be the coaching profiteer. Okay, now I need some more spacer blocks, I think. And you can come in and change these spacer blocks. 50. You could change the block color if you want to do that too. Okay, so I need bonus number 4. It's the last one I'm going to put in there. So I'm going to hit bonus block. And that should be the Millionaire Digital Nomad, which looks like I misspelled, but that's okay. And I'm going to move it up to the top. Okay. I think we're ready to go. Now, I need to add an image in here so they know right here that to get the bonus, they have to have this on the JVZoo page so they can check it themselves instead of just asking us if they came in through the right link. So I'm going to find that video, that image real quick. I don't think it's stored in here. Oh. Okay, I'm going to pause. Now to show them what the buy button should look like, I always go into the buy button on the front end page, and you want to make sure our link is right there. And this is VidPenguin 243.157. But what I do was I will copy this. And then inside of Snagit, I'm going to add an arrow with a little text that says "243". Okay, so we need to help them find the right, make sure the buy page on that front end product is correctly listed. So I made a page. You can see what it looks like. I just went into the front end page with our link, and our code should be right there, and we just need to make sure it says that. Now, it will be different when we're using Create Upsells JVZoo code. And you have to enter a link for the image, so I'm just going to save it up to TechSmith screencast. Well, okay, I had to put it on my AWS link. But anyway, that's, you want to show that. You want to put it right underneath, remember to clear your cookies. Okay, so we are done with this page. I'm going to come over here, hit save and exit. Okay, now there's two things that we need to do right now. Here is the copy link, and I'm going to go into my VidPenguin right now and change the pretty link. Okay, I'm inside of my site, so I'm going to go into pretty link real quick, and I'm just going to add a pretty link. And so what I needed was, I need this link right here. Now, this is the thank you link, and this is the bonus page. So copy that, put that in pretty link. This is the bonus page that we're going to send people to. So I'm going to put CBS review. And this is just for our information. This is create. Okay, so now we have a new link right here. And this is save as CBS review link and TY page. Okay. So I need to come over here to Commission Gorilla again. And I need to grab the TY page. Okay. Now I'm going to go back into JVZoo. I'm going to add extras. This is where we'd put our send lane integration. And I already, since I haven't set that up, or you haven't set it up, we don't have anything to put in there. So I went ahead and made a CBS formula buyer there. And what I'm going to do here is we'll make a bonus link. For your basic formula. And that's where we put the, we're going to have a product name called bonuses now. Okay, so on the bonus name, should maybe be down here. Yeah, CBS. If they buy CBS formula, which is your basic front end, they're going to get this. And just so you know what it looks like, register for the webinar, because that was the first bonus block, and here's the 4 other bonus blocks in here. So it makes it a real easy page to just put in there. And I'm going to go back over to my, now in case if anybody ever needs that and they said they didn't get it, then I can just send this to them. Okay, so that's all there is to Commission Gorilla. Now we have a really good looking Commission Gorilla page here. And it's under a pretty link, so let's test the pretty link, make sure it works. I always go to a private window to test my links. We're good to go here. There's our bonus course. And see, when they click on it, the beauty about this is if they click on this, it automatically takes them to the call to action. So there's no leakage in here. And so anyway, that's how you build your Commission Gorilla. And basically this is ready to go right now. Let me make sure. Yep. So I want to make sure you knew how to do this. So I'm going to end the video here.